Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Here take a 2D sketch, select the XY plane. Now here go to Line command. From this center point, construct a straight line. Make one profile like this, one profile like this, and one profile like this. Now escape, go to dimension, define the straight length as 67.5. Now define this height as 10 mm. Okay. Now go to arc command and take 3-point arc. Make one arc profile here. Okay, make like this. Now go to vertical constraint, select this point, select the center point, select this point and select the center. Go to dimension, define the radius here of 22 mm. Select the center point and select this base. The distance will be 54 mm. Okay, go to vertical constraint, select this line. Okay, and escape. Now here we can see this is not defined properly. Okay, we can go to tangent constraint, select this. Now this is fully constrained. Now I want same profile this side as well. Go to line and here make a center line. Escape, select this line, make it construction. Go to mirror, select this complete profile, go to mirror line and select this center line. Apply and done. Finish sketch. Extrude. Take here symmetric extrude and the distance of extrude will be 66 mm. Okay, and press OK. Now here select this face, go to create sketch. Take here circle command. Make a circle here of diameter 30. Give this 30 mm. Enter. Go to dimension. From base, the center will be at 35 mm. Go to vertical constraint. Select the center and select the center. Okay. Finish sketch. Take extrude. Take here extrude of 25.5 mm. This will be a joining profile and press OK. Now here rotate this profile. Now go to part 2. Here you can see a rib profile is being constructed. Go to part 1. For rib profile, go to origin, select XY plane, go to create sketch. Here go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Go to sketch, line command, make one line till this point. Okay, and here make till here and here and make till here and join it. Escape. So here this will be a closed profile. Go to tangent constraint, select here, select this line. It is constrained now. Okay, now go to vertical constraint, select this line. This is also constrained. Now escape. Now here we only have this moving profile. So to constrain this, select the coincident constraint, select this point and select this point. Select this line and select this point. Now this is also constrained. Finish sketch. Go to home view, go to extrude and here take symmetric and take a distance of 8 mm. Go to view, visual style and here change it to shaded with edges. This will be also a joining profile and press OK. So the rib profile has been constructed. I want these two profiles this side as well. Go to 3D model, take here mirror, select extrude 2 and extrude 3, go to mirror plane, select the YZ plane, rotate the view and press OK. Okay. Now we are going to construct the cutting profiles. So here we'll start, rotate, go to part 2. We will make this in front cut, then this hole and this hole. Go to part 1, select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle, select this corner and make the rectangle. Go to dimension. From base we'll give a height of 35 mm, and here from center you can select this and select here, so it will select the center point. Define this as 22.5. okay, go to vertical constraint, select this point and select this, so this is also constrained now. Finish sketch, take extrude, flip the direction, and here I'll take all, so this will be a through cut. Press OK. Now go to mirror command, select extrude 4, mirror plane, select here the XY plane and press OK. Okay. Now here select this face, go to create sketch, and here go to the rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle, make the rectangle profile. Coincident, select this center point and select the green center point here. Okay, go to arc command, make here one arc. Okay, go to dimension. Here the radius of arc will be 13 mm. Okay, and here go to concentric, select this and select this, so this will be at same center. Finish sketch, take extrude, select both the profiles, flip the direction, take here cut, and here I'll take all, so this will be a through cut, and press OK. Select this face, go to create sketch, take here circle command and make a circle on the center point of diameter 20 and finish sketch. Take extrude, flip the direction to direction 2, so it will change to cut, and here I'll change all and press OK. Okay. Now here go to fillet command, and here the radius will be of 12 mm. Select all the corners one by one, third, rotate, and the fourth corner. Press OK. Select this face, go to create sketch, rotate the view, take circle command, and on this center make diameter 10. Here also on the center dia 10, and on these two also dia 10, and here dia 10. Finish sketch, extrude, select all the profiles, take here cut and take a distance all. Press OK. Go to home. Now this is almost complete. Now from here we will define the appearance as light red. Okay, light red. So this will be the final. This was a basic tutorial to how to construct the part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.